Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. How to understand the iPhone that we use is original or refurbished. In this video, I will show you some ways to check if iPhone is original or refurbished. Method 1. Check model number. You can use the iPhone's model number to see if it's a real one. For this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Tap About. The first number of the model number indicates the source of your device. M means it is new from Apple retail store. N means it is a replacement device from Apple. It means that iPhone gives you a replacement device for your original device has some problems. The replacement device can be new and it also can be refurbished. P means it is personalized device with engraving. F means it is a refurbished device. Method 2 is check warranty. A common method is to check the service and support coverage with serial number. First, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, tap About, and here is the information about your iPhone and the serial number as well. Once you got the number, you can just go to check coverage apple.com to check out the status. Enter the serial number you just got. And enter the code below. If the seller claims the device is new and under warranty, by this way you will find out that if it's true or not. Method 3 is check hardware performance. Another solid solution to check iPhone original or fake is through checking its performance. iPhones are some of the most powerful handheld devices on the market right now. Clones and fake iPhones don't have the same performance as real devices. Open and try camera, check speakers by playing music, check the microphone by recording a video, record 4K video and check battery drop. Check battery health in settings. If you have tried all the methods mentioned above and are still not satisfied, there's a last resort too. Method 4. Go to Apple's retail store. You can go to an Apple store. Apple's repair technicians have specialized tools that they use to check whether an iPhone is original or fake. With their help, you will be able to find out the originality of your iPhone in no time. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.